Hi everyone, as you can see, I'm playing a game where I need to solve quizzes to restock the food before my customers get angry. This app might look like Kahoot or Quizzes, but no, actually this is an application that is way more interesting and fun than Kahoot or Quizzes called Booklet, which I often use to conduct quizzes with my fellow mentees and really think is the best strategy to carry out best peer assistant learning online. Action speaks louder than words, right? So let me show you why. It has a unique thing called game mode, which makes it 1,000 times better, less boring, and enjoyable. As we all know, when we thoroughly enjoy something that we do, we tend to remember it longer, and Blueclet is the best in doing that. Let me show you a video where my mentees and I played the games on Blueclet together. So I just typed in the topic that I want to test my mentees on, and as you can see, many sets of questions popped out on my screen, and I just choose one of them. And well, there's many game modes, over 10 game modes that you can choose from. The hack is pretty fun because it lets you to hack other contestants' password. Like, that's something new, right? Something unique. And about Gold Quest is just about your luck and also your speed in thinking. Battle Royale is also fun. I often use this game mode when I collaborate with other PAL leaders and their mentees. My favorite one is Cafe. This one is really fun. This is the one that I played earlier. I just chose my game mode and host them. All my mentees join and start the game. So the fun thing about this game is that no matter how many questions there are, it's only lasts about 7 minutes. Like, it won't consume your time. You won't feel like drained. You can see the upgrades of my mentees. And yeah, finally you could see their standings and their ranks. It also allow you to see the reports, like what are the potential, and allow you to do some research on that if they really understand what I taught them during the PAL sessions.
Hello, I am Ines Palidobayo. I'm going to talk about an app is Kumu Space. Okay, here when you're using a Kumu Space, there is a small booth which you have a very good discussions. For example, for the carbon cycles. So you can also talk with your friends. You can click the whiteboard to jot down your notes. There is what kind of notes that you want. You can have a type or you can draw it. And here there is restroom. So you can relax, you can have fun with your mentee, you can have a chat with the mentor if you take 5 minutes or 10 minutes break from your power sessions either. So it is very convenient. And you also can look at the map here. There is map for your room space, and then you can also customize your room. So you can have purchase any type of it. So here you can also click the link if you want to search for the research. So if you want to read about the metabolic pathway, you want to read about the biodiversity, you can jot down the notes and have the link below to the websites. So you can also broadcast yourself if you want to make your mentee to have a very clear view about yourself. And also you can have a presentations such as PDF or also PowerPoint, what kind of the presentation that you want for your pulsation discussion, so it may help for your explanations to facilitate your friends during your study. So here you can also present the entire screen, and also for the window, okay, you can click which window that you want. And then for the Chrome tab, So here there is my contact, so you can see at it. Okay. For the next is you can also have a chat in the Kumu space for asking questions. So you want to edit from the settings, change to template, make a copy, and also delete your room to minimize your space. You can also create your own new room and you can have a very new template. So here we can say a disco club, hotel lounge, malls, pool party, what kind of room that you want to create. So it is very fun. So the my mentee doesn't have to be too bored when having a pulsations. So this application is very unique. I'm suggested to all of you.
Conclusion, we believe that both Booklet and Kumo Space is the best strategy to conduct past session online.
Because these two application is very uncommon and seldom used by the lecturer during the PDPR session. So both of us believe that we can use T2 applications during the PAL session.
Take a closer look. Booklet is similar to Kahoot and Quizzes, meanwhile Kumo Space is similar to Gmeet and also Microsoft Teams. But what makes them unique is Booklet and Kumo Space are interactive, allow the mentees to socialize and also less boring.
Yeah, as we already know and discovered that these two applications are not common to use it during the PDPR session, so the students feel like they are not in the real class, so they can have fun, they can socialize, they can discover, they can be excited, so we can feel a little bit closer and the connection between our mentees.
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Thanks for watching!